Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 19th of July 2018. Okay guys, I'm giving the early analysis because we have hit like 9 pairs today and I'm going to give the analysis for those pairs. So let's get started with EURUSD. So as you can see that I have supplied the bearish trend in case of EURUSD. 116270 was the entry and the target price was 115736, and you can see that we have a very good downfall on EURUSD today, and till now it has reached up to 115872, but still the downward momentum hasn't stopped. If it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can go up to 115736. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on EURUSD, they must have taken a very good profit on the pair. Okay, now let's talk about the third pair of my signals report. Great Britain pound USD just hit the target price 129770. The entry was 130469. I have supplied the bearish trend in case of Great Britain pound USD, and you can see the significant downward trend is found on Great Britain pound USD today, and finally the pair is down. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today, they must have taken the benefit from the weakening of Great Britain pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. Again, a very easy signal from my side. A clear bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 112825, and the target price was 113061. And you can see we have just hit the target price in the last hour. USDJPY has moved up as per the prediction. So guys, this is what the quality of the 200forexpips.com. They normally provide you with the analysis in the morning, and you people are able to catch a very good it's not even about the 200 pips, it's more about like 400, 500 pips. Sometimes it gives you like 300 pips. So once you have caught the trade on a particular pair, then you must be able to catch a very decent profit on the pair. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD. A big drop is appeared on AUDUSD. 074091019 was the bearish entry from my side, and the target price was 073702. And guys, the big drop is on the way, and when I have supplied the a signal before the London session, then it was going on to the weaker side, and that's why I have remained bearish on AUDUSD, and you can see that the pair has even break the barriers of the target price, and it's way down on the screen. Okay, now let's talk about the USDCHF. Bullish signal was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 099997, and the target price was 100320. And you can see we are about to hit the target price on USDCHF, and it has certainly moved up, and still it's gaining the upward momentum. So guys, those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today as per the 200 Forex Pips recommendation, they must have caught a very decent profit by trading this pair. Okay guys, now let's talk about the strength that is caught on USD Canadian dollar, and I'm going to switch my chart here. So very easy signal from my side. 131886 was the bullish entry on USD Canadian dollar, and the target price was 132369, and we have hit the target price in the previous hour. So guys, I congratulate all traders who have taken the buy positions on USD Canadian dollar. Hopefully this signal must have milked a very good profit for you. Okay, at last, because we have hit most of the signals today. Great Britain pound JPY, bearish expectation was provided for the day. 147224 was the bearish entry, and the target price was 146645, and you can see we have already hit the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on pound JPY, they must have taken a very good profit. A sell position is taken on EURJPY today. It's on the line, and you can see that 131182 was the bearish entry. The market already break the bearish entry here. You can see it's on the way to the downward momentum. If it continues the downward really like this, then it can go up to 130682. And so guys, if you want to trade it at your own risk, then you can just look at here that we have a bearish expectation on EURJPY. At last, I'm going to talk about the another satisfied pair of the day is AUDJPY. A clear bearish trend was supplied in the morning from 83467, and the target price was 83191, and you can see the result is on the screen. We have a big drop on AUDJPY today. So guys, we have taken a massive results by trading Forex, and if you just compare the reports in the last few weeks, and we are doing a very good trading from from 2015. So guys, hopefully the subscribers who are subscribed to my signal service, they must have benefited from the service. Also, you can find some good reviews reviews from the traders who have used my services, please search 200 Forex Pips on Facebook page and you will be able to find some reviews. That's all about the today's analysis. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my Forex Signal service, if you want to get the trading system that is attached on the screen, like sell in the top red boundary and you need to buy in the lower red boundary if you want to get this trading system. If you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.